fresh, golden goo. Enough Triceratops for now.
Well, sorry for the way I ended that video last week, but that's the way it had to happen. So we're back in the garage, Stage Alpha, with me, Shaker, and we're gonna top up the coolant. We've got some oil in here now, some power steering fluid. Then we're gonna start her up and set the timing. So let's get this fluid in here. This is a blue cap, but it's not blue, it's pink actually. This is just what I use for mixing it. So it's pretty much 50-50. Not hearing anything hit the floor, that's good. So after we top this up, we'll start the car. It doesn't say anything about bringing it to operating temperature to set the timing, so maybe we don't have to do that. We'll try setting it just as the old manual there says. We're going to do 10 degrees before top dead center. I think we need more. Let's go mix up some more. I don't like these. Ooh, one right in your face. Not a big fan of these black bottles. They're hard to tell where the levels are at. There we are. More pink liquid. The one thing I'm definitely not doing is the alignment. We'll send it out for that. And I think the rear main might have to be changed. Oh, mosquito. Buggers. I don't want to change it myself because I'm not a big fan of laying on my back and dropping transmissions. Especially front wheel drive ones, they're just, I don't know, they're a pain. Rear wheel drive I find is a bit easier. We're getting pretty close here now. There we go, we'll just let that sit there. It also says I should have the air filter connected, but if I connect that, I don't know how I'm going to reach down there to tighten that bottom distributor bolt. We've got the high flow K&N for an extra 25 horsepower. Get this convertible flying. We'll stay away from 88 miles an hour though. We're not ready for time travel. Instructions, sticker, instructions. Look at that. Man, these mosquitoes are getting me. You see me dancing around all weird, that's what it is. Fits in there nicely. Fits in there nicely. Our intake. Okay, I'm gonna assume that's all connected good. Clean our battery terminals off. Our steering fluid, we have coolant, we have oil, intake's hooked up. We have a jumper cable in the diagnostic box. On the Celica 3S-FE here, it says we have to jump 2 different connectors, number 3 and number 2 on the left side. So we got a little jumper in there for that. I'm not going to tighten those hoses up, and hopefully that won't cause too much of an issue. I guess we can hook the battery up and turn the key and see what happens. I'm not gonna lie, I'm nervous. Well, good, it runs. Remember, we don't have an exhaust, just the header, or exhaust manifold and catalytic converter. There's something after that, so that's why it's so loud. But I need to get some white out, because I can't see that timing mark at all. I thought I put a little paint on there, but it didn't work. So yeah, I'm gonna get some paint on there, and then we'll be back to set the timing. I found some white house paint that worked, so let's try again.
Found.
She's way early, so we're gonna have to change that. I thought I could move this distributor though. All right, I think we can move that distributor around now, so let's try again. Let's try it the other way then. Oh. Maybe this is why. Well, shysters. Well, I'm not exactly sure what we're gonna have to do. We just have to pop the cap off on the distributor again. But we're at about 20 degrees before top dead center, and we want to be 10, and I can't get it any further. Can't even get it to 0. So looks like I'm gonna be doing some more work to get this timing set right. We'll jump back to you when we're somewhere else. Well, round 2 for the timing. So I had a little bit of stuff off here, stripped it down, moved the belt to tooth, moved the exhaust camshaft. It all looks to be lining up now. I don't know how I missed that, but I'm an amateur, so that's probably how I missed it. Now we're going to try to start it again and set the timing. So that abnormal noise you hear, I believe it's just because it goes from the exhaust manifold to the catalytic converter to like a 2-inch exhaust pipe, and then it's just dumping out right there. So we'll set the timing again afterwards just to make sure, once we get the exhaust built, to make sure it's all set right. But we are at 10 degrees before top dead center. That's where the book wants it to be. So for now, it starts. I'm gonna slap the wheels on it and just put it outside and come back to it later, once we can do the exhaust. We had a shipment come in today, so gonna be getting that set up, and I'll reveal that to you on the next video. As well, I'm gonna get into a couple other videos, so if you are into more than just cars, there will be some other videos coming out there that are not cars. What else? Yeah, I think I'm just going to button this up enough, put the wheels on, and we'll get it outside. So let's do that. Well, there we have it. We got the ST162 back outside and running. Still got to go to the shop for some inner tie rod ends, I believe. So it feels loose, and I'm going to get them to do the rear main seal because I don't want to drop the transmission without a hoist. Just, I'm too lazy, too much work. So, hope you enjoyed the video. We've got the timing set, and we'll be back to building the exhaust. See you later. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and give me a comment.